And before we sign off from our show today, we here both at NFL Weekly and Armed Forces Radio Network would like to give a special thank you to all of our troops around the world serving our country. We appreciate everything you guys do, and we take it to heart. So from us to you, thank you. For more NFL coverage when you want it, follow me on Twitter at Josh Williams NFL, or for more news on Armed Forces Radio Network, like us on Facebook at facebook.com/armedforcesradionetwork.co. You've been listening to the NFL Weekly here on the Armed Forces Radio Network. For Josh Anderson, I'm Josh Williams. Until next time.